Stop! Stop! It's me!
Mr. Osborn, you killed those people on that balcony.
The goblin killed. I had nothing to do with it.
You tried to kill Aunt May. You tried to kill Mary Jane. And not you. You tried to stop it.
I couldn't stop it. I would never hurt you.
I knew from the beginning.
If anything ever happened to me, it was you that I could count on.
Be a son to me now. I have a father. His name was Ben Parker.
Godspeed, Spider-Man.
Don't tell Harry.